Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will continue to learn Filipino words for objects in your house. This time, we will talk about a dining room. In our house, the room where we have all our meals is the dining room. In Filipino, this is hapag kainan. Hapag kainan. But in everyday Filipino, you will most likely hear a Filipino refer to this room as simply dining. So what objects are in the dining room? Anong mga bagay ang nasa dining? What? Anong? Objects, mga bagay. In the, nasa. Dining room is simply dining or hapag kainan. Let's start with the things we see in any room in our house. A dining room will have a ceiling or kisame. Floor, sahig. Wall, dingding. And window is bintana. Our windows will have windowsill or pasimano. And the corner of any room in the house is sulok. A typical dining room will have a table and chairs. Table, lamesa. A chair is silya. It is also a seat or upuan. And a seat or chair can have a backrest, sandalan. Now, what will we normally see on that table? We will see plates and eating utensils. A plate is plato or pinggan. A small plate is platito or maliit na pinggan. And a bowl is mangkok. And a mug or cup is tasa. And glass is baso. Fork, tinidor. Knife, kutsilyo. Spoon, kutsara. Teaspoon, kutsarita. Kutsarita. After learning the Filipino words for objects in the dining room, let us look at some conversations. It is time to eat. Oras na para kumain. It is time, oras na. To eat, kumain. The word para is actually for. I will prepare the table. Ihahanda ko po ang lamesa. I, ko, will prepare, ihahanda, the, ang, table, lamesa. I will serve the dinner. Ihahain ko ang hapunan. Will serve, ihahain. Dinner, hapunan. Here is another conversation. Dinner is ready. Handa na ang hapunan. Dinner, hapunan. Is ready, handa na. Let us eat now. Kumain na tayo. Us, tayo. Eat, kumain. Now, na. Let us have dinner. Maghapunan na tayo. Have dinner, maghapunan. Here is one more conversation. Let us eat, Dad. Kain na po tayo, Tatay. Us, tayo. Eat, kain. So to say eat, we can use the word kain. We can also use kumain. Dad, Tatay. What's our dinner? Ano ang hapunan natin? What, ano? Our, natin. Dinner, hapunan. What did Mom cook? Ano ang niluto ni Nanay? Did cook, niluto. Mom, Nanay. Now you might ask, why is there a word ni in front of Nanay? In this sentence, Nanay is being used by the child as a proper noun. That's what she calls her mom. And Nanay is the owner of the action of cooking. So ni means the action was done by Nanay. Ni Nanay. What is the dish? Ano ang ulam? The, ang, dish, ulam. This is like asking, what's for dinner? Ano ang ulam? Here are the words for meals or mga pagkain which we will have in the dining room. Breakfast, almusal, agahan. Lunch, tanghalian. Dinner, hapunan. Snack, merienda. So you can use these words for your practice. So that is our lesson today. I hope you found it useful. For your homework, look at objects in your dining room and identify them in the Filipino language. Have a dinner conversation in Filipino. Have fun! I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe to the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!